from BHP UK, and on the dyno today we've got a Ducati Multistrada 1260. This is the Pikes Peak edition. Lovely looking bike. We've already developed these actually. This one is actually a customer's bike that's come in. Right, let's get straight on it and let's get the bike run on the dyno. So the Ducati 1260 DVT, the Pikes Peak. This bike is obviously the Pikes Peak version. It doesn't make any difference to the way that they tune. The 1260 DVT tunes in exactly the same way. So this bike, at wide open throttle, we went up from 139 brake horsepower to 144. Again, a 5 brake horsepower at the top end. A good separation all the way through the rev range. But with these bikes, everything is, you know, the biggest gains are at the bottom end. Now, at 20% throttle, the bike was very lean. We found lots of restrictions in the ECU on the throttle. So what we did was obviously we put a little bit more fuel in it, and we removed or certainly eased a lot of the restrictions that Ducati have put into the ECU. The results at 20% were absolutely fantastic. If you look at the power curve here, the standard bike comes onto the power and then it dies off pretty quickly. And you can feel how lumpy the bike is to ride in traffic. With the modified map, it comes onto power and it just gives you a far more progressive and linear power delivery. The 1260 DVT is a really torquey engine, and if you look at the torque plots, you can really see the difference between the standard and the modified bike. As you get higher up the rev range, the standard bike does become a little bit smoother and a little bit more progressive, but again, you can see even at 40% the bike comes onto power, and at 6,000 RPM the two lines separate and the modified bike carries on making a nice linear power delivery, whereas the stock bike does get a little bit lumpy again and it does start to come off power. That's even more evident in the torque plot. You can see again at 6,000 RPM the torque plot is now absolutely flat, and it carries on making the same torque throughout the rev range all the way to red line. This Ducati is now available on our ECU Flasher. With our ECU Flasher, you take a read from your bike, send that file to us. One of our map writers will modify that file, taking into consideration any modifications that you've put on the bike. Really hope you're enjoying what we're bringing to you as far as the Ducatis and all the other bikes are concerned. Please do drop us a subscribe, it really does help us out. And if you hit the bell icon, it'll keep you notified as and when new videos are being dropped onto the channel.